In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a call from a chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues or catching up with friends, starting a call from a chat is a convenient way to connect instantly without having to switch to a different platform. Let's make sure you can do it smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your Microsoft Teams application. You should see the sign in page displayed. Enter your credentials, your email, and password to access your Teams account. It might take a few seconds, but once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Teams interface. This is where you can see all your chats, scheduled meetings, and more. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chat section, which is typically located on the left-hand panel. Here, you have access to all your ongoing conversations. Find and select the person you want to call. You can do this by scrolling through your recent conversations, or by typing their name in the search bar at the top. This search feature is genuinely handy for finding specific contacts quickly, especially if you have a busy chat list. After selecting the person, you'll see the chat box appear. This is where you can type a message if you like. You might want to send a quick text like "I'm going to call you now," or simply say hello. A brief message can provide a heads up that you'll be calling, which is considerate and often appreciated. Now, for the most critical step to start your call, look for the phone icon located within the chat window. It usually sits right above your text input field, alongside other icons like the video camera and screen sharing when applicable. Clicking this phone icon will initiate an audio call. The call might take a few seconds to connect, so be patient while you wait for the other person to answer. During the call, you'll have access to all the in-call controls such as mute, hold, transfer, and adding more people to the conversation, offering you flexibility and control throughout the call experience. And that's it, just a few simple steps to starting a call directly from your chat in Microsoft Teams. Practice these steps a few times and soon enough you'll be able to initiate calls quickly and with confidence. This feature is particularly useful for those moments when a written message just won't do, and you need the clarity and immediacy of a voice conversation. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Until next time, happy calling.